Hey everybody, it's Mike again. Just a little update on the 2018 Ram. I put vent visors on today. And you may say, why are you doing a video on vent visors? It's like real basic. So these are the ones I sell on Amazon. The brand actually doesn't come out. I knew they were cheap. They were maybe like 20 bucks for the 4. I knew they were cheap, so I figured I could always customize whatever crap I get. And that's what I'm gonna have to do. I mean, at first glance, I mean, unless you really know the truck and you just saw it, because I just showed it. Looks nice, right? Yeah, little baby seat. Yeah. Tough guy truck, right? Looks nice. I like it. 9 3/4 is a Harry Potter reference. Not my idea. Looks good. Looks real good. Alright. Very easy. Comes with 3M tape. You just basically lay it in place. You take off the ends of the tape. You hold it on and you stick it. So that's what I'm gonna show you about the front doors. And I saw it before I put them on. Always try to dry fit things before you put them on. I'll deal with this. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like rubber cement or something and just seal right here. it's not kicking this out enough where I'm gonna like warp it permanently. The rust is due to I used like a flat blade basically to hold that gasket while I was doing this. On the good ones, you don't have to deal with that. The good ones, they pretty much go around that. I'm sure other people have done videos and all that crap. So yeah, like I couldn't take the sticker out, take this off. I just literally put them on and figured let me take a video before I forget. So that gap right there, that's, you see it trying to stick, but it's not. So I'm just gonna get either a little tiny bit of super glue, like Gorilla Glue type, or just black rubber cement. Just put a real thin bead right here. Basically right here to where you see that you see how it evens out there. Right there is where it starts lifting. So I'll probably push it in. I'll put the little bead on. I'll push it in. I'll hold it with some tape or something. And then maybe a little while later I'll come back out and, shave this part off. Maybe I'll do an update on that, but who knows when I'm gonna get to it. But that's really the only issue with these. These look pretty decent, So once again, this is the generic Amazon vent visor for a 2018 Ram 1500 quad cab. I like them though. For the price, I can't go wrong. I'm glad I just didn't have to cut anything. I just gotta put a little bit of rubber cement there. I should be good to go, which I shouldn't have to do. And if you're willing to spend the extra $20, you don't have to do it either. But they were Christmas gifts. I didn't order these, so I'm not gonna return them, and it's a pain. So they've been laying in my garage for about, I don't know, what's today? I guess 4.5 months. So I put them on. You gotta put them on when it's at least 50 degrees out, or else that tape's not sticking. All right, guys. Hope this helps somehow.